I'm Anil Kumar. Here is another question on sets. We are given three sets here. First one, S is equal to, S is a universal set. So this one is a universal set. Sometimes we use S, sometimes U, right? Both are for universal set. And then within the universal set, which is X is positive integers less than 31, A is a set which is multiple of 6 in S and C is multiple of 4 in S, right? So in S we have all numbers from 1 to 30, right? 1 to 30, less than 31. Let us write down all these numbers. Let me begin with A. So set A is multiple of 6. So that means 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30, right? And set, I've written C here, so let's say set C is multiples of 4. So it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, right? So these are the multiples of 4. So we'll make a Venn diagram. That is the first part. So the Venn diagram is right there. Let's make two circles. One for set A, the other one is for set C. It is very important to enclose them in a rectangle, correct? So that you can say what is the universal set, correct? So that is how you should always do. So universal set is S for you, and these are the sets A and C. Now we need to make a Venn diagram. We need to count how many are in set B, and then we need to find how many are there in union of A and B and its conjunction, right? Complement. Okay. Now intersection of A and C. So that means what is common between A and C. So let's figure that out. Between 4 and 6 multiples, we'll have 12 and then we have 24. So these are the common ones, so we can write them first. So we have 12 and 24. Rest will go in A. A will be 6, 18 and 30. So we have 6, 18 and 30. In C we have 4, 8, 16, 20 and 28. Now we can easily answer all the questions. Number of elements in B. There's a typing error here. So we'll say, let's make this as number of elements in A, okay? So let's make number of elements in A. So in A, what do we see? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 5 here, right? Now we have A union B, right? So I think I should have made this as C, but in this case I'll write, because I wrote C here, A union C, okay? So A union C means all these numbers which are here. So some are outside. Now what numbers are outside? I should have written it earlier, right? So 1 to 31. So we have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, we have 5, 6 is here, 7, 8 is here, 9, 10, 11, 12 is there, 13, 14, 15, right? Then we have 16, right? Let me write 17, 18 is inside, 19, and then we have 20, 21. Well, it is actually numbers in this particular case. So what we have here is total number of numbers inside. Well, in the set we need to write down these, so I have to fill this up, right? So in any case, 17, 18, 21. So we have 22, and then we have 23. 24 is inside, so we have 25, and then we have 26. 27, 28 is inside, and then we have 29, right? So we have 29. So these are the numbers which are complement of union of A and C, right? To find these numbers, what we can actually do is we can just find how many numbers are there in union, right? So we have total 30 numbers, right? From 1 to 30 is 30 numbers. So 30 take away the numbers in the union, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals to 20. So the answer is 20. So what we conclude here is that number of elements which are complement of A union C is 20. And the best way of finding this number is by taking away 10 from 30, since 10 is the number of elements in A union C, right? And 30 is total number of elements in our universal set. Well, the first part was to make Venn diagram. So when you make a Venn diagram, you have to list all the other elements outside, correct? So that is why it was kind of necessary also to write those numbers, and you can, once you've written those numbers, count them also, right? So that is how you could do it. I hope it helps. Thank you and all the best.